My name is Tanner Lee. I'm a student at Lewis and Clark College, and I am studying abroad at Waseda University in Tokyo. Studying abroad in Tokyo can be quite hectic sometimes, whether it be the busy streets of Akihabara or the crowded alleys of Waseda University. Sometimes you just need a break, away from the city, away from everything else. And just off the side of the road from my apartment is Suga Shrine. It's a quiet that you can't get whenever you go to Sensoji Temple. It's a serenity you can't get whenever you walk down the streets of Akihabara. And, well, it definitely has a different vibe at night compared to some place like Shinjuku. But here, in this small community on the side of the Sumida River, I feel like some peace and quiet is actually possible. It's places like Suga Shrine that remind me that even though we live in the busiest city in the world, there is still peace to be found. There's so much I can say about the Tokyo study abroad experience, but all I would say is I think if you have the opportunity, you must give it a shot. Tokyo may not be the right city for everybody, but it certainly was the right one for me. And I can't wait to come back here.